Physics has a golden rule: if you walk away from a fire, it gets cooler. But the sun breaks that rule. The surface is a scorching 5,000 degrees, hot enough to melt diamond. But if you travel upwards into the ghostly atmosphere known as the corona, the temperature doesn't drop. It screams. It skyrockets to 1 million degrees. That is 200 times hotter than the fire that created it. It is physically equivalent to boiling a kettle on a block of ice. We think invisible magnetic ropes are whipping plasma at supersonic speeds, turning our star into a particle accelerator. Nature loves circles. It hates straight lines. Fluids do not form corners. Yet, looking down at Saturn's North Pole, we find a storm twice the size of Earth locked into a perfect, rigid hexagon. It has sharp angles. It rotates in perfect sync with the planet's radio emissions. And it hasn't changed in 40 years. We have recreated this in labs, but on a planetary scale, it looks like a glitch in the simulation. A geometric nightmare that refuses to dissolve into chaos. We assume the solar system fades out gradually, like a city turning into suburbs. But at the edge of the Kuiper belt, it ends with a bang. Billions of miles out, the density of space rocks drops off a sheer cliff. At exactly 50 astronomical units, the debris just stops. It goes from a crowded highway to absolute silence. Models say there should be more mass out there, but reality shows an invisible wall. Is a hidden planet sweeping the edge clean? Or have we simply reached the edge of the map? Miranda looks like a simulation error. Astronomers call it the Frankenstein moon because it looks like it was smashed apart and glued back together wrong. Its surface is a chaotic mess of mismatched terrain, featuring the Verona Rupees, an ice cliff 20 kilometers high. If you jumped off the top, the gravity is so low that you wouldn't fall, you would drift. It would take you 12 minutes to hit the bottom. It is a zombie world that refused to die. If you spin a tennis ball, the air around it spins with it. Friction keeps them synced. But Venus refuses to obey. The solid planet spins so slowly that a single day lasts longer than a year. You could outwalk the sunset. But the atmosphere above it screams around the planet in just 4 days. The winds move 60 times faster than the ground. It is called superrotation, a perpetual motion machine that defies the laws of friction. Saturn's moon Iapetus looks like it was manufactured. Running exactly along its equator is a solid wall of ice 20 kilometers high, twice the height of Everest. It wraps perfectly around the moon, making it look like a giant walnut, or a welded seam on two metal hemispheres. Nature rarely draws straight lines like this. Did an ancient ring system collapse? Or is this the most artificial-looking object in our solar system? We think we have mapped the solar system, but the math says we are missing a giant. In the deep dark beyond Pluto, a group of dwarf planets are clustering together, swinging their orbits in the same direction. The odds of this happening by chance are 0.007%. It looks like a school of fish avoiding an invisible predator. Scientists believe it is Planet 9, a ghost world 10 times the size of Earth, herding the rocks from the shadows. Titan looks exactly like Earth. It has rivers, lakes, and rain. But the liquid isn't water, it's methane. Natural gas. And that is the problem. Sunlight destroys methane. Chemically, Titan should have dried out millions of years ago. The tank should be empty. But it isn't. Somehow, the moon is refilling itself. We suspect massive cryovolcanoes are erupting from the core, spewing fresh fuel into the sky to keep the impossible atmosphere alive. We look for mysteries in deep space, but the biggest glitch is right here at home. When we swing spacecraft around Earth for a gravity assist, they often emerge traveling faster than the math predicts. It's a tiny error, just millimeters per second, but it happens consistently. Is Earth's rotation dragging the fabric of space-time? Are we hitting a halo of dark matter? Or is our understanding of gravity itself fundamentally broken? Every time we fly by, we get a little push from a ghost. In 2017, an object named Oumuamua entered our system. It was shaped like a cigar and tumbled chaotically. But the real glitch was its exit. As it passed the sun, it accelerated. It pushed itself away faster than gravity allows. Comets do this by venting gas, but Oumuamua was dead silent. No gas. No tail. Just a dry rock that stepped on the gas. Was it a chunk of hydrogen ice? Or a broken piece of alien technology riding the solar wind?